Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Today we are going to solve the questions of treatment of premium for goodwill in case of admission of a new partner. We are going to solve from question number 31 to question number 40. Let us start question number 31. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits in a ratio of 3:2. On 1st April 2019, they admit Z as a partner for 1/4 share in the profits. Z contributes following assets towards his capital and for his share of goodwill: stock 60,000, debtors 80,000, land 1 lakh, plant and machinery 40,000. On the date of admission of Z, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 6 lakh. Pass necessary journal entry in the books of the firm on Z's admission. So let us start. We are going to pass the journal entries. Date, 22. Ledger following: debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entries. Okay. The first entry will be all assets in sundry assets account debit, stock account debit, debtors account debit, land account debit, plant debit, machinery account debit, two, Z's capital account. This is going to be the balance sheet figure. Balance. 2. Premium for goodwill account. Okay. Now, stock was 60,000. Debtors were 80,000. Land was 1 lakh and the machinery was 40,000. The firm's goodwill was 6 lakh and therefore Z's share of goodwill equals to 6 lakh into that share is say 1/4, so it is going to be 1,50,000. Okay, now the difference amount is going to be our capital, so it is 1 to 280, 280 means 1,30,000 is the capital amount. Okay, now narration B. Z brings assets against his share of capital and goodwill. Okay. Now we are going to distribute the premium for goodwill. So the entry will be premium for goodwill account debit. Now, as you know, Z is not taking his share from any partner he is taking from the firm, the old ratio of old partners will be the sacrificing ratio in this case, and that's why to X capital group to Y's capital group. The amount is 150. That will be distributed in the ratio 3:2. That means 5, 5 3 are 15, 90, 60. Okay, 3:2. B. PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay, here you should know the old ratio equals to sacrificing ratio. Okay, this is the end of question number 31. Now we move to question number 32. A and B are partners in a business sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 1/3 and 2/3. On 1st April 2019, their capitals were 8,000 and 10,000 respectively. On that date, they admit C into partnership and give him 1/4 share in future profits. C being 8,000 as his capital and 6,000 as goodwill. The amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners in cash. Draft the journal entries and show the capital account of all the partners. Calculate proportion in which partners would share profit and losses in future. So we are going to calculate new PSR. Okay. Then afterwards we are going to calculate sacrificing ratio and we are going to pass the entry. Okay. AB of partners in 1:2. Then we take C for 1/4 share and it is not stated from where C is going to take. That means that who forms profit B B1. Okay. So remaining shares 1 minus 1/4, 3/4. Okay. So after that new PSR A, B, C. 3/4, 3/4, 1/4 into 1/3 into 2/3 into 3/3. Okay, to make it 12. 3/12, 6/12. 3/2. So new PSR is 3:6:3, that is 1:2:1. Sacrificing ratio old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. A, B. Old ratio was 1/3, 2/3, and the new ratio is 1/4, 2/4. So this is going to be 12. 4 minus 3, 1/12. It is 12. 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, 2/12. So if you see the sacrificing ratio, it is same as old ratio 1:2. Okay. Now we are going to pass the entries and then we are going to prepare the capital account. Okay. Date, particulars, ledger following debit is credit is journal entries. First, we said C brings 8,000 for his capital and 6,000 as goodwill. So cash account debit to C's capital account to premium for goodwill account. 8,000, 6,000, 14,000. Okay. B. C brings his share of capital and goodwill. Okay. Second entry. Payment for goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account 6,000 is distributed in 1:2, that will be 2,000, 4,000. Okay. B. PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Now it is saying that they are withdrawing the amount in cash. Okay. So A's capital account debit B's capital account debit. This is the withdrawal entry to cash account. Okay, 2,000. How much they have got? They are withdrawing 6,000. B. Goodwill amount withdrawn. Okay, these are the entries. Now we are going to prepare partner's capital account. A, B, C, credit, payable. A, B, C, debit particular. Partners capital account by balance drawn down. Okay, so the capital accounts of ABB are given 8,000 and 10,000 respectively. Okay, my cash account, the new partner C brings his share of capital because we have asked the entry cash account debit to C's capital to PFG. So by cash account. Okay. Now PFG has been distributed. PFG account between A and B 2,000, 4,000. Okay. And this amount is withdrawn by the partners, that is 2,000. 4,000. Now let us close. No other information is given. It is going to be 10,000. It is going to be 14,000. It is going to be 8,000. $10,000, 14,000, 8,000. Here it will remain 8,000 only. here it will remain 10,000, it will remain 8,000. Okay, we are going to say to balance carrying down. This is the closing balance of partners capital account. This is the end of question number 32. Now we move on question number 33. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted C as a new partner for 3/7 share in the profit, and the new profit sharing ratio will be 2:2:3. C bought 2 lakh as his capital and 1,50,000 as premium for goodwill. Half of their share of premium was withdrawn by A and B from the firm. Calculate sacrificing ratio and pass necessary general entries for the above transaction in the books of the firm. So let us start. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. A, B. The old ratio is 3/5, 2/5, and the new ratio given is 2:2:3, 2/7, 2/7. So it is going to be 35, 7 to the 21, 5 to the 10, 11/35. It is going to be 35, 7 to the 14, 5 to the 10, 4/35. So sacrificing ratio equals to 11:4. Now let us start the remaining. Particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entries, first entry, cash account debit, 2, C's capital account, 2, premium for goodwill, the capital C bought is 2 lakh and 1,50,000 premium for goodwill. Okay, that is 3,50,000 being C brings capital and goodwill. Okay, now the second entry, premium for goodwill account debit, 2, A's capital account, 2, B's capital account in the sacrificing ratio, that is 1,50,000, 1,10,000 and 40,000. Okay, B, PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Third entry, now they are withdrawing half the amount of goodwill. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, to cash account. It is going to be 55,000, 20,000, 75,000. Win withdrawn. Okay, this is the end of question number 33. Now we move on question number 34. Number 34. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. They admit C for 1/4 share in the profit. C brings rupees 30,000 for his capital and rupees 8,000 out of his share of rupees 10,000 for goodwill. Before admission, goodwill appeared in the books as 18,000. Give journalities to give the effect to the above arrangement. Now C is not taking from anyone. That means the old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. So we are going to pass the entry. Question number 34. Let us pass the entries. General entries. In this case, he is bringing half the amount, some part of amount of goodwill. The remaining portion we are going to take from his capital or current account. Okay. So debit is. The first entry we are going to write off the goodwill of the book. That is, the entry will be, it will be distributed between all partners in old ratio. So A is capital account debit. B is capital account debit. To goodwill account. The amount given was 18,000. So 3 6 are 18, 6 2 are 12, 6 1 are 6. B, goodwill written off. Second entry. Now he is bringing his share of capital and goodwill, so we are going to have the entry cash account debit. To C's capital account to PSG, that means premium for goodwill account. Okay, the amount given is bringing 30,000 as his capital and 8,000 out of 10. So 8,000 as a PSG. Total amount he has bought 38,000. B, C brings his share of capital and part of goodwill. Now we are going to distribute the premium for goodwill in sacrificing ratio. Okay. So premium for goodwill account debit. Okay. Premium for goodwill account debit. C's capital or current account debit. Both the things are right according to the transaction. You can remove from the capital account or you can open a current account for the same amount. Will be distributed between the sacrificing partner, that is the whole ratio itself. So A's capital account to B's capital account. Okay, so it is 8,000 PFT and 2,000 we are taking out of his capital or current account. Total 10,000 will be distributed between the partners in 2:1. That will be 6,667.33. Okay, so being premium for wool distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay, this is the end of question number 34. Now we move to question number 35. The question number 35. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit C as a partner in a firm for 1/4 share in the profit which he takes 1/6 from A and 1/12 from B. C brings in only 60% of his share of firm's goodwill. Goodwill of the firm has been valued at rupees 1 lakh. Pass necessary journal entry to record the transaction. Okay, let us start. Question number 35. Firm's goodwill is given to us. The amount given was rupees 1 lakh. C share of goodwill, that is PFG, will be 1 lakh into his share. His share is given to us, that is 1/4 equals to 25,000. Okay. Now he is bringing 60% in cash. So 25,000 into 60%. Okay. So 25 6 are 150. 15,000 he is bringing in cash and 10,000 is in his capital, from his capital or current account. So let us start the entries. Journal entries. Okay. Date. Particular. Ledger folio. Debit rupees. Credit rupees. Okay. So the first entry will be he is bringing his amount of capital as well as goodwill. Now I am showing you the second way how you can pass the entry. Whichever is good according to you, you consider that only. Okay. So let us account debit to premium for goodwill account. Okay. Now he bought 15,000 in cash. 10,000 we are going to take from his capital or current account. This will be 25,000. B. PFG bought by C. Okay. Second. Now we are going to distribute that premium for goodwill between the partners. Okay. So let us distribute premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital amount to B's capital account. Okay. Now, as you know, the premium for goodwill is 25,000. We are going to distribute in the sacrificing ratio, but the sacrificing ratio is not given to us. What is the sacrificing ratio? A and B. C is taking 1/6 from A, whereas he is taking 1/12 from B. That means to make it 12, I have to multiply with 2. So it is going to be 2/12. So the ratio will be 2:1. Okay, that means 3. Now we are going to divide 25,000 in 2:1. So 3 8s are 24. Okay, and 3 3 3. That means 16,667 and 8,333 is the answer in 2:1. Okay, being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio. Okay. This method I have taught you previously also. Please try to cope up. Okay. Thank you. Now we move to next question. Next question is 36. On the admission of Rao, goodwill of Murthy and Shah is valued at 30,000. Rao is to get 1/4 share of profit. Previously, Murthy and Shah shared profit in the ratio of 3:2. Rao is unable to bring amount of goodwill. Give general entry in the books of Murthy and Shah when there is no goodwill, and B, goodwill appear in the books at 10,000. There are two cases. Let us start first. Question number 36 is A. Okay, when there is no goodwill account in the books, and second one is goodwill appear in the books. So we are going to do the first one. There is no goodwill account in the books. Now, first we are going to calculate the goodwill of Rao. So Rao's share of goodwill equals to. Now, if you see, it is stated on the date of Rao, goodwill of Murthy and Shah is valued at 30,000. That means firm's goodwill is 30,000 into the share is 1/4. That will be 7,500. Okay. Now he is not bringing his share of goodwill in cash. That means either we are going to take from his capital or current account by opening current account. So let us start. Particular lesser for you. Debit rupees, credit rupees, general entries. First, Rao's capital or current account debit to premium for goodwill account. Okay, the amount is 7,500. Being PFG now more in cash. Okay, it is not more in cash. Now this PFG, that is premium for goodwill, will be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. As you know, Rao is not bringing his share of goodwill in cash, and he is taking the PSR, profit sharing, in the from the firm. That means own ratio of Murthy and Shah will be the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so premium premium for goodwill account debit to Moti's capital account to Shah's capital account. Okay. Now the amount will be distributed in 3:2, that is the old ratio. So 15 5s are 75, 15 3s are 45, 15 2s are 30. Okay. Being PFG distributed in sacrifice ratio. Sacrificing ratio. Okay. Here it should be noted that old ratio, note, old ratio equals to sacrificing ratio. Okay. This is case A. Now we move to case B. In that we are going to pass one more entry regarding the goodwill appear in the books that we are going to write off. Okay. One more entry we have to pass. So let us pass the entry. Case B, the entry will be same. Case B, the entry will be same. One more entry we are going to pass here. That entry will be writing off the goodwill amount. Okay. So Moti's capital account debit Shah's capital account debit to goodwill account. Now the goodwill given is 10,000 and it is distributed in 3:2, that means 6,000, 4,000 being goodwill written off. Okay, goodwill written off. This both the entries will be same in the case B also, and one more entry we have to pass, that is Moti's capital account debit, Shah's capital account debit to goodwill. Now we move to question number 37. Question number 37. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Their books shows goodwill at 2,000. Sees admission as partner for 1/4 share of profit and brings in rupees 10,000 as his capital, but is not able to bring in cash for his share of goodwill, rupees 3,000. Draft journal entries. So let us start. Question number 37. Will appear in the books. So we are going to pass the entry to write off the goodwill. Date, particulars, letters of guarantees, rupees, journal entries. Okay, so first entry, sorry, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, to goodwill account. Goodwill appear in the books 2,000 and it is going to be distributed in 3:2. So 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 1200, 4 2s are 8, 800. B, goodwill returns. Okay. Now, second, C bring his share of capital So cash account debit to C's capital. Okay, the amount is 10,000 in C brings his share of capital in cash. Okay, now as you know, he is not able to bring his amount of PFG in cash, so we are going to take from his capital or current account. So C's capital or current account debit to premium for goodwill account. Okay, amount is 3,000 being C unable to bring PFG. Okay, for this amount we are going to distribute between A and B in their sacrificing ratio, which is 3:2. So premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Amount is 3,000. So 6 3 are 18, 6 2 are 12. Okay, B PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay, so this is the end of question number 37. Now we move to question number 38. A, B and C are in partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:4:1 respectively. Two new partners D and E are admitted. The profits are now to be shared in the ratio of 3:4:2:2:1 respectively. D is to pay 90,000 as his share of goodwill, but E has insufficient cash to pay for goodwill. Both the new partners introduces 1,20,000 each as their capital. You are required to pass necessary general entry first, the sacrificing ratio, because it is very important. So let us figure out 38 sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so A, B, C. Let us see. The old ratio was 5/10, 4/10, 1/10, and the new ratio means 3/4/7, 7/12. So 3/12, 4/12, and 2/12. So it is going to be 60. 5 6 are 30, 12 5 are 15, 15/60. It is going to be 60. 6 4 are 24, 5 4 are 20, 4/60. This is going to be 60. 6 5 2 are 10. That is going to be minus 4/60. And if you see D and E, they are getting how much? Let us check. So it is 2/12. It is 1/12. To make it 60, I am going to multiply with 5. So it is going to be 10/60. Here also 5. So it is going to be 5/60. If you see, this is gain, this is gain, and this all are sacrifice. Okay. If you see the total 15 plus 4 19, 15 plus 4 19, that means C is also gaining. Okay. Both the partners are bringing their share of goodwill, but C has to bring because he is also gaining. That means C has to bring. So first we are going to find out the share of C also. So if you see the things, it is clearly said that B has to pay 90,000 for his share of goodwill. That means B share is 2 by 12 and he is paying 90,000 for that. Therefore, firm's goodwill, I am going to find out the firm's goodwill. That will be very easy for you. 90,000 into 12 by 2. So it is going to be 6 9 6 54. 5 by 40,000 is the firm's goodwill. Okay, from this you can calculate C's share of goodwill and E's share of goodwill. Okay, both the things are not given. So 5 by 40,000. The share of C was 4 by 60. 4 by 60. So it is going to be 9 4 36. Okay, 9 4 36, and E is going to bring 5 by 40,000 into 5 by 60. 45. Okay. Are you getting my point? D is going to bring 90,000, C is going to bring 36,000, and E is going to bring 45,000. So let us pass the entries now. Ready? Please. Please. Okay. The first entry we are going to pass is of building of capital. Okay. So cash account debit to B's capital account to E's capital account. Okay. The amount is 1,30,000 each. That is going to be 2,40,000. B and E brings their share of capital. Okay. Now, as you know, B is able to bring his share of goodwill, but E is not able to bring his share of goodwill. So the entry will be cash account debit. Now E is not able to bring, so E's capital account debit to premium for goodwill. Why I am not taking C here? Because C is not a new partner, that is not premium for goodwill. Okay, premium for goodwill only new partner brings in. So I am going to treat like this. Now cash he is bringing 90,000. His share of goodwill is 90,000. E has to bring 45,000, but he is not able to. So we are going to take either from capital or current account. Okay. Either from capital or current account. So it will be 1,35,000. B brings and E unable to bring their share of ESG. Okay. Now I have to pass the remaining entry, that is distribution of goodwill in sacrificing ratio. We have seen the sacrificing ratio. Okay. So third entry will be premium for goodwill account debit C capital or current account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. It is 1,35,000. This is 36. The total 1,35,000 will be given to A as his share of 15, and this is 4 being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. If you focus on this entry, it is very clear that the gaining partner's account is debited and the sacrificing partner's capital account is credited in case of goodwill. That should be kept in mind always, that the gaining partner's capital account will be always debited. Okay, please keep in mind and please try to solve the questions as easy as possible. Okay, so let us move question number 39. Now, question number 39. Mohan and Sohan were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted down for 1/4 share on 1st April 2019. It was agreed that goodwill of the firm will be valued at 3 years purchase of average profit of last 4 years ended 31st March, where 50,000, 15, 16, 60,000, for 16, 17, 90,000, and for 17, 18, rupees 70,000. Okay, like that the profits are being. Ram did not bring his share of goodwill premium in cash. Record the necessary journal entries in the books of the firm on Ram's admission when first goodwill appeared in the books at 2,02,500. B. Goodwill appeared in the books at 2,500. C. Goodwill appeared in the books at 2,05,000. So average profit equals to sum of all previous profit upon number of years. Okay, so the profits are given to us, value 50,000 plus 60,000 plus 90,000 and plus 70,000. Okay, divide by 4. So it is 50, 110, 2,70,000 divided by 4. So it is going to be 6 are 24, 3, 7 are 28, 28, 2, 5 are 67,300 is the average profit, and therefore firm's goodwill equals to average profit into number of years purchased. Years purchased. Okay, so it is 67,500 into, I think that is 3 years. Okay, number of purchases 3 years. So 500, so another 21, 22, 1 to carry, 18, 20. So 2,02,500 is the firm's goodwill. Now we are going to calculate Ram's share of goodwill. Ram's share of goodwill, that is EFG. Okay, Ram is the new party. 2,02,500 into his share is 1/4. So we are going to divide by 4, so it will be 5, 0, 6, 1, 2, 5. 50,625. Now we are going to pass the entries in all 3 cases. Okay, let's start. In this question you have to remember the first entry of writing the goodwill will just change, otherwise both the entries, that is EFG, both the entries will remain same. Okay, so let us start. Case A, date, particulars, less of liabilities, credit, rupees, journal entries. Okay, first entry we are going to pass is Mohan's capital account debit, Sohan's capital account debit to goodwill account. This entry will remain same, but the amount is going to change in all 3 cases. Being goodwill written off. Okay, this we are going to write as the old ratio. Okay, in case A, goodwill appears in the books is 2,02,500. Now we are going to distribute this 2,02,500 in 3:2. That is 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25 actually. Okay, so 40,500 into 2, 81,000, and it is going to be 121,500. Sorry, 121,500. Okay, being already we have passed the entry. So second entry, it is says Ram is not able to bring his share of goodwill in cash. So Ram's capital or current account debt, either capital debit or current account, to premium for goodwill account. The amount is 50,625. 50,625. B, Ram is not able to bring EFG. Okay. Now this we are going to distribute in sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account debit to Mohan's capital account to Sohan's capital account. Okay, so the amount will be 50,625. We are going to distribute in the ratio of 3:2 because Ram is taking his share from the firm. So the amount will be 3, 5, 5 under 5, 0, 5 under 5, 5 to 10, 5 500, 10,125. So it will be 20,250 and 30,375. Okay, so being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Is it okay? Now, in all the remaining cases, just we are going to change the amount of first entry because all the things are remaining same. Ram's share of goodwill is remaining same and the premium for goodwill distribution is remaining same. Just what is changing is the goodwill appearing in the books. So we are going to solve the case B. In this case B, the amount of goodwill in the books is 2,500, just 2,500. Okay, so we are going to distribute this into 3:2. So the amount will be 1,500 and 1,000 because we are going to distribute 2,500 in 3:2. In the case C, just what we are going to change is again the amount of first entry because the goodwill appear in the books at 2,05,000. Okay, so we are going to increase this. In the case C, it is 2,05,000. Now we are going to distribute in 3:2. So it is going to be 5 4s are 20, 41,000. It is going to be 82 and 123. Okay, 123 and 82,000. This is the end of question number 39. We move to question number 14. Mohan and Gopal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Suraj for 1/3 share in the profits on 1st April 2019. They also decided to share future profits equally. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 5,50,000. Goodwill existed in the books of account at 1 lakh, which the partner decided to carry forward. Okay, that is the 1 lakh amount of goodwill we are not going to distribute because they are carrying forward the goodwill. Okay, Suraj is unable to bring his share of goodwill past the necessary journal entry on admission of Suraj if goodwill is not to be raised and written off, and goodwill is to be raised and written off. So let us start. Question number 40 is A. Okay. Now, firm's goodwill was 1 lakh. Okay. Now we say the goodwill is valued at 5,50,000, and it is also said that they decided this 1 lakh to be carried forward. Okay, so just what we are going to raise is 4,50,000. Okay, so it will become 5,50,000. So this amount we have to increase, and the same amount 4,50,000 out of this the new partner, that is Suraj, is going to bring his share. So Suraj's share of goodwill, that is PFG, will be out of 4,50,000 only. Okay, into his share of 1/3, so it is going to be 1,50,000. Okay, because the goodwill is increasing by just 4,50,000 on the admission of Suraj. and that's why we are going to raise by 4,50,000. Okay. Now we are going to pass the entry. It is saying that we are not going to raise it and write off. That means we are going to pass the entry we need to sacrifice. Okay. Journal entries, date, particular, laser folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay. The first entry is, now Suraj is not able to pay his share of goodwill in cash. It is said. So we are going to do the entry like this. Suraj's capital or current account debit to premium for goodwill account. Why I am passing the entry always through goodwill account is, whenever you are going to do the remaining questions, that is revaluation account, partners capital and the balance sheet, in that case we are going to pass to the payment for goodwill. It will be very easy. Okay, so don't worry, while passing the entry it is very easy. Like 50, always go through the proper way for passing the entry. B, Suraj is unable to bring PFG. So he is not able to do his PFG, and we have taken from his capital or current account. Now this premium for goodwill we are going to distribute in sacrificing ratio. Okay. So let us find out the sacrificing ratio. We have not find out, but I am going to pass the entry first. Madan's, before that we have to pass the entry sacrificing ratio. We have to check the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. So Madan and Gopal, the ratio old was 3/5, 2/5, and the new is 1/3. 15, 3 3s are 9 minus 5, 4/15. 15, 3 2 was 6, 5 minus 5, 1/15. So we are going to distribute in 4:1. So capital account, Madan's capital account to Gopal's capital account. Capital account, the amount is 1,50,000. So it is going to be 1,20,000 and 30,000. 4:1. Okay. B, PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay, this is very important. This thing you should remember. Okay, now we move to part B, where goodwill is to be raised and written off. We are going to raise the 4,50,000, and then again we are going to write off the goodwill, that is 50,000. Okay, so let us pass the entry in the second case. Case B, journal entries. Okay, date, particulars, lesser folio, debit rupees, credit rupees, Now first we are going to raise the goodwill. In that case, goodwill account will be debited. So goodwill account debit. When you raise the goodwill, this goodwill is to be distributed between the old partners in the old ratio. So it is to be Mohan's capital account, Gopal's capital account. Okay, the amount is 4,50,000 because 1 lakh will be retained in the books. So 4,50,000 in 3 to 2. So 5 9 are 45, 9 3 are 27, 2,70,000, and 9 2 are 18, 1,80,000. Being goodwill raised. Okay. Second item, we are going to write off the goodwill. So all three partners will be debited. So Mohan's capital account debit, Gopal's capital account debit, Surat's capital account debit to goodwill. As 1 lakh we are going to retain, it is going to be 4,50,000 only, and the new PSR is equal. So it is going to be 1,50,000, 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Means goodwill written off. Okay, this is the end of question number 40. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you.